Alright, thanks for clicking our video. This is a 62 Thunderbird Convertible. It does have the speedster tonneau. Beautiful color combination. Turquoise with a white top. Wide white walls. This car looks like it should be sitting at the beach. We're going to show you the interior, let you hear it start up and run, and of course get it up on a lift for you as well, so stay tuned. Alright, we are on the interior now of the 62 Thunderbird. It is all stock, right down to the radio. Very good condition. We've got power windows over there. Again, we've got that speedster tonneau. Nice color on the interior here too. Okay, we've got the 62 T-Bird here. We've got it in neutral, getting ready to fire it up. Come out here, let you hear the engine. Alright, let's take it for a drive. Okay, we are taking off with the 62 T-Bird. These cars are like sitting on a couch riding down the street. Very, very comfortable. Brakes work well. Make this turn and get it through the gears. Just feels like you're floating down the road. Alright, we will get you back inside, get this car up on a lift so you guys can see the underside. Alright, we've got the Thunderbird up on the lift for you. I'm going to show you the underside of this car here. Very, very original car. Very original, solid floors. Mufflers are newer. Fuel tank is newer. Other than that, again, the underside of this car, very original. Looks to have never been restored. If you'd like to see more pictures and information, go to skywayclassics.com. Thanks for watching.